finished doing all these rails. Fucking not fun. I gotta grind this one back, finish welding this one, but I'll show you one patch all the way through here. As you can see, this will be under the back door rubber anyway, but it looks pretty good. And then I had to do one patch there, so I cut way more than was needed. Right, so finishing up, I've grinded all that. These were a fucking headache, weren't they? So I replaced that whole corner rail because I was completely missing. Then there was a little bit in there, a little bit up there. Then I actually replaced all of this, so all of that, and then a little piece in here, and then just one more little bit in there. But yeah, holy fuck. Now I just got to do one more piece. I didn't record doing those two last patches because, like, you know, you get it. I recorded the hardest patch to do, which was this corner one, and then, you know. So now look at this. Look at this, dude. Fuck. Look at that! Look at that. Look at that. Oops. A little bit too much. Look at that, brother! No Bondo. Love it.